Hello and welcome. Today we're going to cut right through all the complicated stuff and show you a super simple way to download your official ePAN card, and you can do it right from home.
So, have you ever been in that spot? You know, you need your PAN card for something urgent, maybe a bank application or some other document, and you just can't find the physical card. It happens to everyone, and man, can it be frustrating.
Well, guess what? There's a really direct solution for this. You can get a digital version, your ePAN, almost instantly. And all you need is something you probably have with you right now, your Aadhar card. In this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how it's done.
All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to walk you through the whole process on the official Income Tax Department website. And don't you worry, it's actually way simpler than you might think.
Okay, here are the 6 steps on the screen. Let's break them down. First, just open up your browser and head over to the official income tax portal. Once you're on the homepage, look for a link that says Instant ePAN. Click on that. From there, you'll want to select the option to check status/download PAN. Now, this next part is the most important one. You're going to need to type in your 12-digit Aadhar number. After you do that, a one-time password, an OTP, will get sent to the mobile number that's linked to your Aadhar. Just punch in that code and boom, you're in. You'll see your PAN details right on the screen with a big old Download ePAN button just waiting for you to click it.
So that whole process is incredibly easy, right? But before you run off to try it, there is one really important detail we need to talk about just to make sure this is actually going to work for you.
So who exactly does this work for? Well, here's the deal. This instant download feature works best for newer PAN cards. We're talking about ones that were issued in the last month or two. If your card is older, say 3-4 months or more, you might find that the system can't pull up your data. So that's a really key thing to remember. It makes this a perfect solution for anyone who's applied recently.
Okay, so now you have a really valuable skill. But what if this simple process wasn't just a solution for you? What if it's actually an opportunity? The fact that it's so easy to do opens up a really interesting possibility. I mean, just think back on those steps we just went through. A few clicks, an OTP, and a download. That's it. It's a really straightforward digital service that solves a very common and often urgent problem for a lot of people.
But here's the thing. While this whole process might seem simple to you now, a lot of people are still not very familiar or comfortable with using government websites. And that knowledge gap, that's where the opportunity is. You could be the one to offer this as a super helpful service in your community.
And the official way to do this is by getting something called a free NSDL ID. NSDL is the National Securities Depository Limited, and getting one of their IDs basically gives you the green light to operate your own small service center, helping people out with all of their PAN card needs.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to get a free NSDL ID, there's a URL right below, and you can also find the link in the video description. By clicking that link, you can very easily apply for a completely free NSDL ID.
With an NSDL ID, you can start offering several important services, like helping with new PAN card applications, handling update services, and other key facilities. All of these services are simple to manage, and you can easily start offering